A big snake! Where did it come from? Please help, guys! How are we gonna pass?
It is all in your mind. It is just a stick. Yes, it is just a stick. We have nothing to worry about out here today.
Yes, it is just a stick, but I just saw a snake there. How is it even possible?
Focus your eyes on where we are going and do not look around. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Copy that, watching the perimeter. Everything seems clear for now, but stay alert until we get the signal. The lady we are going to meet, what is her story? She is a widow who decided to leave everyone behind to be alone. We have finally reached the destination after such a long journey. Is this the place we were told to find? Yes, wait here while I speak with her. I am sensing a powerful force. I have been a watchman all night, but I did not see anyone entering our territory.
Hi, Miriam. We are here for you. We are the ambassadors of Christ. Can we talk? We hope you can find some peace and comfort in our presence today.
Who are these people? It is strange, I know all powers, but I did not recognize them. They even passed the fear snake I sent. How is that possible? I do not know them, but I feel their power. We need to stop them from invading our territory. I see they are here for the woman whom I have worked hard for years to get close to me. The kingdom is ready, and our forces have been positioned to defend the realm against any who dare to challenge the crown in these dark and uncertain times. I don't want to talk to anyone. I left the city because no one wanted me, so I just need peace on my own. Please leave me alone and never come back.
Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit.
I am a widow. My husband died 2 months ago.